This is your 10-minute Tai Chi inspired workout with weight loss exercises at home. These are all standing, no equipment, and this is also incredible for your overall health. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here is a preview of the first move. We're going to start where we do 2 of these knee drives and then 2 of these light kicks. And we're just changing the hands to a palm press to then hands together. So let's get ready. And this works as a warm up as well. Let's come into position, hands together. Now draw that knee up. Now give me a light kick and then take it back to that knee drive. So simply keep repeating this sequence. And how it's going to work today, on the left, you've got your countdown arrow there, which shows you how long you've got on the exercise, which is always approximately 50 seconds. And then on the right, you've got your 10-minute countdown clock. So when you're doing this, focus on keeping the upper body nice and tall for me. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. And this is going to really help to mobilize through all your joints, help increase your core body temperature at the same time as giving you a lovely full body move. All right, that's good. And nearly finished on move 1. So you just march out. Let me show you move 2. So for this one, we're going to just really exaggerate a power march and really focus, if you can for me, on really lifting that leg behind. So we're really activating your posterior chain. So this means we're activating through your glutes, through that hamstrings. We're also working the upper back and your arms plus your core. And again, 50 seconds on this move. And if you want, you can do this as a 7-day challenge. Do it for the next 7 days and you are going to feel incredible. And right at the end of the video, I've created you a 7-day motivational tick chart. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. Keep focus and keep thinking of all the health benefits. This workout today is not only going to be great for healthy weight loss, but it's great for your joint health, your bone health, your metabolic health and your cardiovascular health. And well done. All right, you just march out. Let's have a look at move 3. So for this one, you're going to step 1 foot out and then we're just going to take the arms across. So we're just going to swing one arm out, then bring in the other. What I want you to do, focus on keeping those arms up at shoulder height for me. And what I wanted to do with these Tai Chi inspired moves is just really create them so they're really going to help build lean muscle to support a healthy metabolism. And these work really well alongside my Tai Chi inspired weight loss walking workouts. You can find all those here on my YouTube channel. You've got everything from a 7-minute to a 30-minute. All right, that's good. And just keep that move nice and dynamic. And what you can do, you might want to do this workout 10 minutes in the morning, and then you could choose one of perhaps say the 10-minute walk later in the day. That's good. And nearly finished on that move. All right, so let's have a look at the next move. This time now, we're going to tap the foot across and in front, and we're just going to do a lovely full arm swing at the same time. And if you struggle a bit with the coordination, don't worry about the arms to start with, just focus on the legs and add in the arms when you're ready. So this one here is going to be really lovely for conditioning and strengthening through your core, as well as working your arms and your legs. And every move here really helps increase your energy burn on there. All right, that's good. And these are all unique moves that I've created for you and easy to do at home. You don't need any equipment. These are all free, and you could even be in your pajamas doing this, and just 10 minutes. We can all find 10 minutes. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. Just march out. So let's have a look at the next move. This one, you're just going to do a single hamstring curl, and then we're just going to do this double arm sweep across. So just bend through the knee, then just add in those arms. And these are all really lovely, fluid, flowing moves. And these are really good for what I call our functional fitness. So they just help with everyday activities. And the great thing is that these also work multiple muscle groups at once. That's what I wanted to create. So then it gives you a greater fat burning benefit in a shorter period of time. Just keep doing that bend through the knees. Keep those arms nice full swing for me. And just keeping that focus, doing really well. And you can move around the room, make the most of the space that you've got. And well done, that move's complete. So let's have a look at your next move. This one is a half low impact star. So we're just going to take one leg out and one arm up and just make it as big as you can. So really step that foot out as far as you can, sweep that arm over as high as you can as well. And this is also going to really help to boost your circulation and oxygen flow throughout your entire body. And the clever thing is, these exercises are also going to really help to raise your heart rate without having to do that high impact exercise. And we don't want that for joint health. We want these really lovely joint friendly moves. And if the arm's feeling tired, you can always rest them, place them on your hips and then bring them back in when you're ready. And if you're not ready, come and find us on Facebook, Lucy Squad. We've got such a lovely online community there, just helping each other support on our health journeys. And well done. All right, you just march out. So let's have a look at the next move. So this one, we're going to do sets of 4. So we're going to have your hands up and we're going to do 4 side steps. And then we're going to hold it here and now take the opposite hand to heel for 4, then bring it back 4 side steps and just keep alternating. So you can see how quickly this workout is flying by and just keeping that going. And we just got 3 more moves after this one. And what this workout will do as well, because we're working what's known as EPOC, which is excess post-oxygen consumption. So this means that even after this workout, your body is still going to be burning more calories. All right, that's good. And again, just tap that heel and just stepping that side to side and just release. So let's have a look at the next move. This one, we're going to do a step, but you're going to tap the foot across and behind and just do like a high 5. And again, if you need to, just get used to the leg movement, then you can add in the arms when you're ready. And what I wanted to do is create these moves so they'd really help you to build lean muscle. And then also, because we're building that lean muscle, that's how we're going to really help to support a healthy metabolism. And just reach that across, make that move as dynamic as you can. And the great thing is with that, that also means we're supporting fat loss while still maintaining muscular strength. And this is where I always say body weight is still strength work. And that's good. And just keeping that going and just keep thinking of the bigger picture. This is fantastic for your overall health. All right, so next move, we're going to really work on your coordination. We're going to do rolling arms and we're going to do sets of 4 where you tap your foot out to the side. 3, 2, 1. Now take it to the heel in front. 3, 2, and 1. Then back out to the side and keep that sequence going while still doing those rolling arms. So this is going to be really great for your mind and muscle connection as well. So we're working brain health. And remember, if the arms get tired, just rest them on those hips and just bring them back in when you're ready. And just keep doing that heel dig and just well done. That's good. And this is also really going to help with your mobility and stability. That's it. And nearly finished on that move. We've just got 1 more move to go. All right, you just march out. Let's have a look at the last move. So we've got a fun new one here. We're going to drive the knee up as you pull the arms down. Then you're going to step the opposite foot behind. So drive the knee up, lift the arms up. So you lift up, step the foot back, and just keeping that going. That's good. Drive the knee up, step the foot back. And this, as said, is a really fun way that we can move our body that's joint friendly. That's good. So, and as your qualified trainer, let's just change legs, take that to the opposite knee, step that foot up. I've been teaching for over 30 years now. My mission was always to be able to provide free workouts for everyone on my YouTube channel, and I'm always here to support you on your health journey. Drive that knee up, tap that foot behind, doing really well. Let's just keep going. And remember, these Tai Chi inspired exercises are safe to do daily. So what we want to do is now just get your heart rate back down. So just slowly, just tap from side to side. And what I would suggest, let's take a quick little water break before we do our 2-minute cool down stretch. And we want to stretch because that helps realign the body. So let's now focus. First stretch we're going to do is a calf stretch. So step that foot back, just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. Have your toes pointing forwards, just lean into that stretch. And I'm going to leave here a blog that you can read. There's a QR code if you're watching on TV. Use your phone. I'll also leave it in the description down below, all about Tai Chi inspired walking, how it really helps for health. And let's now take that to the opposite leg. Again, just feel that lovely stretch. And now we're going to come to a hamstring stretch. Extend one leg in front. And the stretching is really important. Never skip this. It helps with our mobility, stability. It helps prevent injuries. It helps with posture. All right, and let's now take that to the other leg. If I was teaching you, doing one-to-one, I would never do a workout and then just leave without stretching. So it is important that we always do this. All right, so for the quadricep stretch, we're just going to hold on to one foot, make sure supporting knees bent. If you find that one tricky to do, I'm showing you an alternative. Top left, you're in a lunge position, drop the hips down, tip the hip forward, and you just feel that stretch through the hip flexor. And then let's just take that to the other leg, supporting knees slightly bent, just feeling that through that quadricep muscle, front of the thigh. Let's now take that arms in front, get a lovely stretch through your upper back, because we've also worked your arms as well a lot today. And now take that behind, and do let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed and if you like these Tai Chi inspired exercises and any other Tai Chi inspired workouts you'd like from me. Do let me know. And let's just feel that stretch through the back of the upper arm. And now let's change, take that to the other arm. Again, just feel that all through the tricep, feeling that stretch. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done right now is invest in your future health. And always say, yes, I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And if you want, take a screenshot of this and you can do this as a 7-day challenge.